Well, you guys know how I found a potential stock last time, a few weeks ago, well, probably like a month ago. The company of interest is called Bellway Place.
Bellway Place.
Well, turns out that stock is not particularly the best route for me to take. Yeah, and the bittersweet sort of aspect of it is that it's actually, in my opinion, a good stock to invest in. I know this is a bit confusing, isn't it? Keep watching to find out why. Hi guys, it's your favourite YouTuber again, Dami Solaru. And you're watching DS Learning Finance. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now the company I was talking about is called Bellway Place. Believe it or not, they're actually one of the biggest home builder companies in the UK. They'll make like top 10 quite easily. It's safe to say they're experts in the private construction industry of building homes. Yeah, I can pretty much say that. I think on average they sell their houses, after doing it up, of course, they sell it for 250k. So each house that they sell is on average that sort of price. And we're talking since last year, 2017 to 2018 period, we're talking like 9,700 houses have been sold just last year. Yeah. Yeah. 250k. 9,700 houses, 250k. 9,700 houses. Okay, cool. Boom, bam. Real talks. Bellway Place. Like, can you like give me £250,000? Like one of your houses, isn't it? Okay. No. Cool. Cool. Alright. Do you good deal. 249,999.9999 of £9. And then you could keep the rest in it. You could keep the rest. You handled that. No, still no. Okay. How about this? Then, gosh, make me do maths. I allow you to lend me the £250,000, but I just don't give it back. Yeah, that's the best I got. Yo, anyways, I'm still talking. In particular, what I really loved about this company was the fact that their share price, the general trend, has gone upwards. So if you compare when they started, which was almost like 30 years ago, around that sort of period, don't know exact dates, but around that sort of period. But yeah, it's been generally going upwards. So 30 years ago to now 2018, the trend has been positive. However, all of this positivity came to a tragic end. When I found out what the business actually does. Yeah. Being a home builder company means that it's not diversifying my portfolio. Yeah. It's peak. As you guys know, well, my die-hard fans know. Yeah. I've recently purchased a property, well, towards the end of, way towards the very end of last year. That's when I purchased the property. And I bought the property with my brothers as an investment. So it's like a long-term investment. We're hoping to rent the property out and use that money that we get, the profit, to reinvest and just continue reinvesting, compound interest in basically. And it doesn't take a rocket scientist yet to realize that home building, that industry, is heavily related to the property market. Yeah, they effectively go hand in hand. Just to double check that both investments would be heavily correlated, I looked at the share price of Bellway Place, and in the UK, which is where I'm situated, we had a big market crash in 2008. But one of the big sort of heavy hitters was the property market. And when you look at Bellway Place, you can see a significant decline in the share price, in their financials. You can see a significant decline during that period. If I was to invest in Bellway Place and approach a bad period where, say, the property market went down, so I would be losing money in that property and owning that property, you can be rest assured that that other investment with the Bellway Place will also be down as well. And equally so, as Bellway Place goes up, my property in value would go up. But as a sensible investor, from a long-term perspective, you need to be able to diversify. And this is a sticky situation that I'm put in, because on one side I have a really good stock in my opinion, but at the same time I don't think this stock is beneficial for me right now. And so what you want to say as an investor is, look, even though my property investment might not be doing as well for this particular period, you know what, because the rest of my investments aren't related to that, they balance it out, I don't need to worry. And you never know, if Bellway Place look equally as good as they do now as in the future, when I have a more balanced portfolio, then I just might invest, okay. But right now, I'm gonna chill from Bellway Place, because there's other investments, there's other opportunities, there's other stocks simply out there that will be better for my portfolio as a whole. Not every opportunity available is the best opportunity for you or the best opportunity for you right now. I know you guys like this video. I can read your minds. And because you liked it, I suggest you guys watch some of my other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And hit that notification bell. Yes, learning finance. What?